Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez, and today I am very excited to bring you this video. I'm going to be styling these 3-tier trays, and these are the newest trays that the Target Dollar Spot or Target Bullseye's Playground has out right now for the fall. Now, these are hard to find, if I may say so myself. When I purchased them, they only had one of each except for the middle one. The middle one I did already own because they did have that one out along with a galvanized metal one, and they had those out in January. But for this season, I'm getting to style these 3 for fall, and that makes me so excited because they are only $5 each. So let's just go ahead and get into it. For my first tier tray, I'm going to be doing this wooden one, and in the future I am going to be staining these trays because I prefer a deeper wood color. For now, I'm gonna leave it as is. With all of my tier trays, I do clean the decor before I set it out, and this time around, again, because it is fall, I am going to be cleaning them with my Mrs. Meyer's apple cider, which is my favorite fall scent of all time for anything, because I am not a fall scents kind of girl, but this apple cider is just perfect. One thing I usually have pre-planned when styling my tier trays are what sugar and creamer sets I'm going to be using. That's kind of a staple item for me. A lot of people use mugs like Rae Dunn mugs or just decorative mugs. For me, it's sugar and creamer sets. I feel like those are a must-have item. So I did already have it planned for all 3. Everything else was kind of a mix and match, play with it until it works. That's why I did have this little tray over to my left side. That's just where I had some extra decor that I thought might work with all of my tier trays. If you like tier tray styling as much as I do have another more in-depth video where I talk through more of my thought process and how I style a tier tray. I'm going to link that video down below, and if you don't want to miss more videos like that and like this one that you're watching right now, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Follow me over on Instagram because I show a lot of pictures over there of my home decor and a lot of other tier trays that never even make it here to the channel. So make sure that you are subscribed here. Follow me over on Instagram. As always, please don't forget to like and leave a comment on this video. That really helps my channel out. I would also really appreciate you sharing this video with your friends and family. Now that I'm done with this first tray, I am going to just leave you to watch the other 2. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll be answering them in the comments for you. And that's it for my 3 trays. Here I wanted to show you some extra stuff that I had brought out to use but didn't end up using them. They just either fit the size of the trays or the color scheme that I was going. I thought it was very important to show you all 3 trays because these 3 trays are very small, especially compared to something you would buy at Hobby Lobby, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, any of those stores. And a lot of people think that it's hard to style them or that you only can use items from the Target dollar spot, but I went ahead and styled all of these with items from different stores, from Walmart, Target, Hobby Lobby, Dollar General, the 99-cent store, Dollar Tree, and some DIYs that I did myself. So I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope that you learn from them, and I really hope that you find these trays if you are on the lookout for them. As always, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below, like this video, and have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.